What's up, Rig Nation? Thursday, April 10th. You guys getting all ready to go to the store to buy your new KFC toothpaste? Ew. That just sounds wrong. But yeah, it's a real thing. Kentucky Fried Chicken toothpaste. Anyways, it's 49 degrees. I'm in New Mexico, and I think I'm about 100. Just got out of Albuquerque. Yeah, I got a ways to go. Probably about 150 miles. I'll be in Moab, Utah. But yeah, I heard that story about that toothpaste. I was like, wow. I wonder who's going to like that. Doesn't sound good to me. Just wondering, like, is it like crispy? Yeah. Or the original flavor. Oh, wow. Craziness. Anyways, get closer to Friday. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, dropping this load off at Walmart in Grantsville, Utah. Oh, excuse me. I got up super early. I've been driving since 2 a.m. and it is 8:11 a.m. I've already driven 450 miles. So I'm pooped. This load's not due until tomorrow. So I'm gonna get as many miles as I can today, and I'm ready to go back to sleep. I am tired. But anyways, alright, Rig Nation. That's what I got at this moment. I'm trying to think of what else I hear crazy in the news. I know you've already heard about the tariffs and about China. 125% he put on China. Wow. Good luck with that, China. You know, they sell most of their stuff, their cheap child labor garbage. They sell most of it to the United States. And they're trying to play hardball. I don't know, man. Them 4 years with Trump kicking back at Mar-a-Lago with crazy ass Joe Biden. I think Trump got all this set up, man. Trump's like playing chess as the rest of the world plays checkers. But I love it. I absolutely love it. It's about time to start getting some of our money back. You'd have taken care of every freaking country there is. And the big, beautiful bill is supposed to be going into Congress today. Lower taxes. I can't wait till they get rid of taxes. Let the tariffs freaking pay for the roads and all the things they say taxes go for. Which, being a truck driver, I don't see much money going into the roads because there are some crappy roads across our nation. That's for sure. But anyway, my co-pilot over here, he's crashed out. Yeah, getting up at 2 o'clock in the morning, he had no idea what was going on. But that's when my 34-hour reset was over, so I jumped on the road and getting it done. Alright, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, that's what I got at this moment. So, I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.
A few moments later.
Okay, it is 11:49 a.m. and we are coming into Utah. Whoop, whoop. I'm in Colorado right now. Went through New Mexico. So, yep, we're getting close, my rig nation. How are you doing today? Hopefully good. Yeah, and it's getting a little warmer. It's 70 degrees. And we got a guy gonna pass me here. He couldn't wait. Oh well, I'm doing the speed limit. And what's funny, right up over the hill, there's gonna be a passing lane. It's all good though. If he wants to be faster than me, go for it. I believe in safety. Hello, Bo. Oh, you kisses. Yeah, straight ahead, there's our passing lane. Right there at the ridge of the hill. Yeah, I don't know. I've been showing you guys a lot of these on my shorts I've been doing. These crazy drivers, the decisions they make. It just blows my mind. You know, like trying to pass when the lane's going to end and then they get crushed against the vehicle and the wall and crossing railroad tracks and the arms coming down, and then instead of going to get off the track, they back up, park their car on the track, and get hit by the train. It's just like, pooh! What are you thinking? Yeah. If everybody would just be safe. Yeah, here comes the Utah sign right here. Welcome to Utah. And they got the mountains there, that's called the Arches. It's very cool. I've never been there. I've been to Zion National Park, but the Arches, I've seen pictures and it's really cool. From thousands of years of the wind blowing, it's blown holes through the hills and made arches. It's really cool. If anybody's been there and watching right now, leave in the comment. Let me know what you thought about it. But all right, I still got 337 miles to go to drop this load off at Walmart. And then I got to get my truck in the shop, and then I'll be on my home time. I got a lot of things I got to get taken care of. But yep, that's what I got. All right, guys. See ya.
A few moments later.
I love these mountains here in Utah. The red dirt and everything is just so different. I think it's pretty cool. Utah is definitely unique compared to all the other states. I think it's the most beautiful. And the people are, the ones I've met, are very nice, family oriented. Yeah. I'm not Mormon. I don't know much about the Mormon stuff, but like I said, the people I've met, they seem really nice. It's a little warm out here. It's 80 degrees. 1:17 p.m. 650 miles today. And I started driving, like I said earlier, 2 o'clock in the morning. Woo. Alright, well, I just want to show you that red rock on these mountains. Again, I just think it's awesome. Alright.